test drive the 2023 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.